What's the meaning of aspiring? Aspiring. Aspiring.
Aspiring. Aspiring. The term aspiring refers to a person who has a strong desire or ambition to achieve something, often in a particular field or career. It suggests that the person is working towards their goal and is motivated by their passion for the subject. While someone who is aspiring may not have reached their desired level of success yet, they are actively working towards it and are committed to making progress. Overall, aspiring implies a hopeful and determined attitude towards achieving one's goals.